Aloha. My name is Christina and I run the YouTube station for Volcano Art Center Gallery. It's so exciting to bring exhibits, hula performances, and classes to show to you for those of you that aren't here on the island of Hawaii. So either way, this video is to show you what we do have to offer for free through Volcano Art Center Gallery at both of our locations. So let's take a look. The Volcano Art Center is proud to have two locations. The one I'm showing you now is inside Volcano Village, and we refer to it as our Niaulani Campus. There's Orangia, the campus kitty that you are sure to see. And that's where we have some more of our contemporary art exhibits inside Dietrich Verres Hall. And this is a beautiful space that allows also for our concerts, movies, and other events that we host. Our main gallery is located inside Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, just 5 minutes from Volcano Village and our other location. This is where we host classes every single Friday for free from 11 to 1. This one here, I'm showing you Ku'uipo Morales, and she's teaching us lauhala weaving. And we go through a series of about 4 classes a month. Lauhala weaving included, of course, ukulele, ohe kapala, and also lei making. Again, these are all for free. And afterwards, when you fill out a survey, you'll get 10% off your purchase inside the gallery. These surveys also help us to keep these free programs going in addition to our grant writing. These classes are family friendly, everyone can be involved, and our kumus are very skilled at teaching their craft, and they are professionals in their own right. One of the more special occasions that we have is every second Saturday of the month, we host free hula from 10:30 to 11:30. And again, this is where your donations, your surveys, and your membership really starts to count, because this is what keeps these free programs going. Let's listen. Iponia, Iponia itawai o kaniulai, kaya ulua e o he moani nei lai. Maane, maane mai kauana haululai, ho pului kapua mahamane.
Hey no ano, Princess Victoria, Kaiulani, Kalani Nui, Ahiapalapa, Kaveku, Ilunalilo, Clay.
We are here at Volcano Art Center Gallery for you to take in the arts, learn, and also watch the beauty that Hawaii offers. Aloha.